All right, if you're looking to get that 6x zoom on your phone, maybe you have an older phone that doesn't have the zoom, or maybe you want to zoom in even further with your zoom lens and this, you can do that. So this comes in from APEXEL. They're like the brand that makes long telephoto macro just lenses for your phone. Very simple to use. It does come in a little carrying case, and you have your telephoto lens here. I like that they give you like a little eye patch that's like a monocle, or if you you can use it that way. If you want to see far away, you can put your eye up to it there. Other than that, the way you use it with your phone is you have this right here. This is the clip that's going to go on, and I do love that they have this screw on it so that you can tighten it on your phone, so it's not going to be loose on there. And the lens itself, yeah, it's 6x, but you can adjust the focus. So maybe if you have something closer or further out, you can adjust it there. You easily just clip it on whichever lens you're wanting to record on, just like that. There's nice soft padding on it, so it's not going to like scratch up your screen when it's over that lens. And you can move and adjust that lens on that mount. So if you need to move it further out to get it the best possible spot, it's very easy to do it that way. And then you can get, very far, really clear shots, pictures. If you want to do some bird watching, you want to see that bird that's far away, get a clear shot of it. It's a great way to do that. If you're doing any video, I definitely recommend having it on a tripod, because it's really hard to keep it steady, especially when you have that extra weight on it. But it does look good. It does the job. And, it's great. Highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.